Hey friends, welcome back to Flow and Flourish. There was a time when I used to wake up, look in the mirror, and just feel dull, no glow, no energy, and don't even ask about my skin. It looked tired before my day even began. I tried fancy serums, those miracle teas, and even skipped meals thinking it would help. But you know what actually changed things? A simple morning smoothie. This smoothie isn't just about skincare, it's about how I feel throughout the day. You know that mid morning crash when even coffee stops working? Gone. And my skin? It's not perfect, but it finally looks alive. People even started asking, are you using something new? Nope, just blending the right stuff into my mornings. Here's what goes into my glow up smoothie: 1 banana for natural sweetness and potassium. A handful of spinach. Don't worry, you can't even taste it, but your skin will love the iron. 5 soaked almonds. I soak them overnight, makes them easier to digest and better for your skin. 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, full of fiber and omega 3s. A little honey, just a bit for that natural glow from inside. And water, enough to blend smoothly. You can use coconut water if you want more hydration. I blend it all together for about 30 seconds and that's it. No fancy equipment, just simple, real stuff. And every time I drink it, I feel like I'm doing something kind for my body. It's like my skin says thank you, and so does my energy level. Here's the truth: one smoothie won't magically transform your skin, but having it 3 to 4 times a week, that's when I noticed the change. It's like brushing your teeth. One day doesn't make a difference, but the habit does. So if you're trying to take care of yourself in small, doable ways, start with this. If you give this smoothie a try, let me know how it makes you feel. Do you feel more energized? Does your skin feel different? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear your go-to morning habits too. And if this helped even a little, give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who's always tired by 10 a.m. Your skin and energy will thank you. Promise.